Roy Cooper just hours from sharing what's next for public school students who've been home now for more than a month. Anthony Wilson is live at Leesville Road High School in Raleigh. Anthony, do we know about the changes in the way teachers will be calculating grades?
Well, we got some hints here, John. The State Department of Public Instruction has these recommendations for grading those students who are now out of school due to coronavirus concerns. Those enrolled in K through 5 get no final grade. Instead, teachers using a locally determined format should provide feedback to students and parents. Middle school parents will get a pass or a withdrawal final grade for all middle school courses. They'll be held harmless for lessons that would have occurred after March the 13th. Those who were not passing as of that date, whose work did not improve through remote learning, would get the withdrawal grade. High school students would have a choice between a numeric grade, the highest grade representing what they learned before and after March 13. They could also decide to opt for the pass or withdrawal grade instead. Those students would keep the grades they earned during the fall semester, which were used to calculate their grade point average. Now, the Wake Board is talking about those changes today when they meet. We will have them for you and stream their remarks online at abc11.com. John and Barbara.
All right, Anthony, thank you. And we continue to look for signs of hope, and here is one coming out of Spain this morning. In Madrid, authorities have closed 2 of its 13 hotels being used to treat COVID-19 patients. Demand on Spain's healthcare system appears to be easing up. This closure comes as demands ease on Spain's healthcare system. More than 89,000 of its 213,000 coronavirus cases have recovered. Starting today, self-employed workers and contractors can apply for unemployment benefits. This is part of the Federal Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program, or PUA. This is critical for people who do not qualify for regular state unemployment benefits. We have a link to apply on abc11.com. That system will tell you if you are eligible. John?
Well, Barbara, this morning there are already questions about whether a $484 billion stimulus package passed on Capitol Hill this week is enough to help struggling small businesses. Here's ABC's Alex Prechet.
The House will be in order.
In Washington, members of Congress back on Capitol Hill, wearing masks and gloves, lining up to vote in staggered groups to pass a new relief bill. It includes $310 billion to replenish the tapped-out loan program for small businesses. Rahama Wright is hoping it will keep her beauty business afloat.
My business has been tremendously impacted by COVID-19.
That is, if she can get it this time. She applied for a loan in the last round. The funds ran out. But who did get money? Many bigger companies like Shake Shack, Ruth Chris Steakhouse, and Sweetgreen. With outrage growing, all 3 now returning the millions of dollars they were given. The bill comes as U.S. unemployment has gone from bad to worse. 26 million filings since the outbreak began, numbers not seen since the Depression era. But many states have processed only a fraction of their applications. Keep it going. In Florida, more than 90% of people seeking aid are still waiting for their first payment from the state.
How many meals? Five, okay.
Massive lines at food banks from New Jersey to Texas.
I've applied for unemployment, but it's taking a while, so just need the help.
The latest bill does not include money for state governments. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell facing criticism after suggesting hard-hit states, many of which are Democratic, should file for bankruptcy if they need financial aid.
This is one of the really dumb ideas of all time. People died. 15,000 people died in New York.
The president asked about that at the briefing.
And we'll see what happens. In all fairness, John, some states have not done very well for many years, long before the virus came.
Governor Cuomo going on to cite stats from the Rockefeller Institute showing that New York State puts $116 billion more into the federal pot than it takes out, while Senator McConnell's state of Kentucky takes $148 billion more from the federal pot than it puts in. Alex Prechet, ABC News, Washington.